Hi guys, welcome back to my... No, we're not doing that, but we are meeting this little guy today. Hey, Cash Money. Yes, daddy, yes, daddy loves you. Aww, you like the beard conditioner? Anastasia of Beverly Hills, you have good taste. Love you. We are just going to try out a new brand, Shakeup Cosmetics. They sent me an amazing PR package, which we'll reveal in just a second. Really nice product. We're trying out a BB cream, a under eye concealer and a lip conditioner. Absolutely obsessed with the lip conditioner. So this is the final look that we did. I mean, it is just no makeup. I think a lot of guys want to look like that. Not everyone's as confident as I am to just wear a full face of makeup. And a lot of my clients kind of just want that as well. Disclaimer, I'm not a trained MUA in any way. I do skin and brow, and I've been in the beauty industry for about a year. And yeah, sorry about looking like absolute shit. A bit hungover, met a friend for a drink yesterday and ended up in the box, which is always an amazing idea, but let's just keep the momentum going.
Yeah.
Whew. Jesus Christ, I look like shit. It has been a hard day. A little bit hungover. So, we are going to try Shakeup. So they sent me this beautiful PR package, which is incredible. I don't know how the fuck they found me, but thank you guys. So it's really basically makeup for men. Check out their Instagram, I'll link everything down below. Really cute little personalised card from Shane and Jake. Absolutely love it. Shane and Jake, oh my god, I get it. Shakeup, Shane, Jake. So what do we have in here? Oh good, it comes with BB tinted moisturiser, all skin types, SPF 20, and we have it in 3 different shades. Not particularly groundbreaking. Oh shit, I think it actually came in boxes. I haven't tried any of the stuff, but I did play with it a little bit, just to swatch some of the colours. Right, this is dark. I'm guessing that's a medium. Ooh. So dark, medium and light. And then we have the under eye concealer and moisturiser. That's quite good. Although it doesn't have the shades on the back of the packaging, and I kind of really wish that it did, because when you throw the box away, you're kind of fucked. And the lip conditioner. This I have actually tried on, and it was absolutely amazing. Lip life to the full. Volumizing and moisturizing lip gel. So we're going to try that, let's save that for the end. And the concealers. It's a metal roll-on, that's cute. Easy to apply, I guess. I don't know how I feel about using a roll-on when I've already done foundation or a base, but whatevs. So we have light, medium and dark. I don't really feel like anyone is a fucking light, but in a concealer, yes, you are. And the dark, I mean, we can use that for a bit of contour. So I'm not going to do my everyday makeup. It takes a little bit more time and it's usually a little bit more glam. I'm just going to do skin and prep. God, so yesterday I ended up going for a drink at H Club. My friend is the account manager, and then we ended up at the box, and the box is always a great idea. But what goes on in the box stays in the box. Skeptic performed last night and it was amazing, so I am hungover, which is probably the best time to try a BB cream and a concealer. Right, I'm just going to prep the skin a little bit with a moisturiser. I am in the process of developing my own brand, Azuaya Cosmetics, so I won't do a reveal just yet until we have proper PR. I'll just get that kind of all in there. It's super hydrating, it's an anti-aging, a really powerful natural anti-aging moisturiser with ingredients from the Amazon rainforest and guarana, which is incredible. It's 7 times more effective than caffeine, so it really hydrates and wakes up the skin. Also, a second product that we are in the process of making after we launch the first, it is a glow cream, and it just gives your skin the most amazing tone. God, look at this fucking scar. So I was actually robbed on the way home after a night out about 4 years ago this August, and got beaten up and mugged for my shit, and I've yeah, that's a scar from it. I've been trying to minimise it with a bit of laser. But yeah, we embrace our insecurities. Okay, I'm going to prime the skin first. This is probably one of my favourite primers from Milani, Prime Shield. I discovered it when I was in Florida in a drugstore, and then my BFF David introduced me to it here at Beauty Bay. I didn't know we had all this amazing shit. Can't remember which fucking colour's which. It doesn't say on the fucking packet. That's annoying. So I actually have to swatch them all over again. Okay, I can't really tell which one is the medium and which one is the light, but I'm going to go for this more yellowy tone of this one. Great. I have combination skin, and at the minute it's feeling very oily. Okay, that is a lot of product. I normally never use my hands for foundation, and I wouldn't on a client either. And I hate the expression self-taught, but I guess that's what we are. Oh god, and I was also going to clean and wash all of my foundation brushes, and I never got around to doing that because we went out. So yeah, the product blends really, really beautifully. I will go in again with a Beauty Blender because I just like to use this MAC brush, the 1.7, it is incredible. So yeah, really, really nice product, love the formula. It is just a BB cream. It's not going to give me the full coverage of a foundation like Illamasqua Skin Base or Dior Backstage, which I'm obsessed with. And at Beauty Blender, actually, the Bounce foundation is incredible. But yeah, nice for every day. And I guess a lot of men and a lot of guys that come in and shop in my department, you know, they want no makeup, so you don't really want to clock it. And this just gives your skin really nice coverage. Good to get rid of these irritation bumps from shaving. Don't wet shave at home by yourself, guys. I go to the barber shop probably every 7 days, 5 days if I've got a big client or an event for a shape up. There's emergency shape ups. I'm going to apply a little bit more product because I want a bit more coverage and kind of go in with a Beauty Blender. I do actually have a brand new pink Beauty Blender, but we're going to go with the black. Got dark circles, it's just hereditary. It's also a bit of diet, lifestyle, kidney function. But yeah, my parents are Brazilian, my dad's Lebanese and Italian, and this is just what you get. Can't complain that there's always been really good food in my house. Really nice under the eye, super brightening, and this is in the medium tone. Really like it. Although I am probably like the palest that I've been in about 4 years. Usually I'm on holiday at this time of the year, and now I'm stuck in like fucking London. Other than Halloween, I hate the month of October. It just rains every single day. Now, let's try the concealer. What is it called? Eye Captain, really cute name. Under eye concealer moisturizer, medium shade with color correcting technology. Also, it does have the shade names on it. I'm retarded because I was drinking yesterday. Light, medium. Let's try the light. I think normally for your face you want it to be the same tone, but the under eye you do really want to brighten it up. And it's got a really nice, like the metal ball is really cooling, so it's nice to depuff the eye, reduces dark circles. I need to squeeze out the product a little bit more. There we go. You feel a bit of motion in the ball. It's new. It's so funny, when you actually do your own makeup, you're like, I don't know why we do that. I guess it just opens up the face a bit more. Let's try some down the nose. That's gone. So I've seen on their Instagram, and I've seen a lot of other brands that are doing kind of makeup for men, and they don't really use any brushes or sponges. It's all kind of done with the hand, and I get that it's easier, and a lot of guys probably aren't really that advanced or have the skill or are a bit intimidated by the product. That is really nice. Fuck my life. Woo! And that was just the tiniest amount. Let's try a bit more. Yeah, so a lot of guys just use their hands. Now, ultimately, I would never apply products just with my hand. I think a Beauty Blender, it just gives you that flawless finish and you can't clock it, because even your fingers, you know, you've got fingerprints on your fingertips and it can leave streaking or mark. Okay, this is kind of not the best applicator, I'm not gonna lie. I can't really seem to get the product out. And there is a lot of product in there. You know what, I'm actually going to have a glass of Prosecco that I prepped earlier to keep it going. I mean, it wouldn't be a get ready without a glass of Prosecco. Tesco motherfucking Value Plaza is literally one of my favourite Proseccos. I'm not a cheap date. It's basic, but I think for what we're doing, I will do a proper sit down, get ready with us in full glam. But for now, this is it. Maybe just a tiny bit of ABH, a brow gel, just to kind of get things in place. This is one of my favourite products. It is definitely a desert island product. Really good just to lock everything in place. You could use it on your beard as well. Keep things in place and check if you don't have beard oil or a beard moisturiser or a conditioner. Really cute, just holds everything in place. I would probably set this with a bit of a powder or bronzer because I feel like I look really ghosty, so I'm just going to get a little bit of bronzer. Again, MAC brush. Fave. I love their brushes, the old brushes though, not the new brushes. They're shit, even though they've got a lot of fallout, they're amazing. I'm going to use Deep Dark. It's actually a blotting powder, but because I have combination skin and I hate shining, it just gives you a nice matte look. Always important to kind of really blend into the beard. And get right into the hairline. I normally wouldn't do makeup with earrings on as well. I'll put them on after, but fuck it. I like to do the hairline as well. It just kind of like condenses your forehead a little bit. I don't have a Rihanna forehead, but regardless, we just want it to look snatched. Now contour the nose away. So two fave brushes, the MAC in 224S and the Zoeva brush in 221. I actually really love this for a little bit of nose contour. I like to do it from the inside corner of the eye so it builds the bridge, and then get that all the way down the side. Depending how I'm feeling, if I want to brighten up the under eye, I will take a tiny bit of the bronzer and just coat it on the lid. Not too darkening, but it does, it's a nice little trick. It makes the under eye look that little bit whiter. Just to finish everything off, let's use Lip Life to the Full, that's a cute name. I am just going to prep my lip with a MAC lip scrub. Lip scrub. God, my teeth are fucking brown. We need to fucking whiten this shit. I didn't know you can actually just eat it off. Vanilla. Really want to try the Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I heard that their lip scrub is great. Absolutely beautiful. Amazing lip conditioner. It's supposed to volumize and moisturize lip gel. Contains hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is the motherfucking bomb.com.org.co.uk. What it does is it locks in moisture. It's what is used for a lot of filler, so it's super volumizing, but it actually locks in moisture. Your lip and your under eye doesn't produce any natural moisture, so you need to add that. I literally am obsessed with the MAC lip conditioner. It's my desert island product. I've run out, I'm going crazy. I literally have one in my locker, one in my gym bag, one in my clutch. But this is a really nice substitute. And it's not too shiny either, like a lot of men don't want shiny lips. Although I do like to look like I've just eaten a glazed donut. Cool, happy with the look.